Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for philosophy for the week of 9/14. So this week we will continue with Chapter 2, The Meaning of Life. We only had 2 quick days last week, and what we did there is we sort of were introduced to ancient Greek philosophy. So we were introduced to Thales and how Thales sort of was the first philosopher emerging out of mythology and poetry of Homer and Hesiod. And then you read Heraclitus's fragments. This week, we're going to focus on some activities. So we're going to look at 2 ideal days. Lifeline will do that in class. 13 ways to live, and you will sort of write your own philosophy of life. And then you will read Chapter 2 and sort of rate what they said is the meaning of life. And they gave you maybe 12 or 13 other meanings of life. So that will be the assignments. We'll do these together, at least Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That will all be done in class. Now, ultimately, this will come together that you will write your own philosophy of life in 10 aphorisms in the style of Heraclitus that we dealt with last week. So that is our goal for this week. I look forward to seeing you, and have a great day.